This is the final moment of this girl. Her name was Natavia Sanders. She had just gone inside her own home, a place that was supposed to be safe. But what happened to Natavia inside those walls was something no one could have ever imagined.
Tampa Police 911, what is the address of the emergency?
I was just trying to get strangled.
Okay, do you have a unit letter or number?
Unit.
Okay, and what's going on?
I was just trying to get strangled. But I just woke up from passing out.
Okay, I'm sorry, what happened?
I was strangled.
Okay, by who?
My mom.
I'm sorry, by who?
My mom.
Is she still there?
Yes.
How long ago did this happen?
This happened like 34 minutes ago. I just woke up.
Okay. Where is your mother now?
She's outside my room.
A few minutes later, police arrived at the scene.
I know you're in the home. Just come to the door.
As soon as officers reached the house, they heard screaming coming from inside. At that moment, no one knew what was happening inside the house. Realizing the seriousness of the situation, the officers immediately called for their backup team.
Did you guys attempt to call back? Because now the lights are out. I think I hear him screaming upstairs, but I can't tell.
Within minutes, the police backup team arrived at the location.
Was it?
And then I couldn't tell if it was screaming upstairs or where it was.
Look, the couches are up on the wall. You see this? Like up here? See this?
Yeah.
Almost like they're not barricaded, but you heard screaming?
Yeah.
Did you hear a scream for help or something?
I couldn't tell.
Police department!
Couldn't tell if it was arguing.
Tampa police! Come downstairs! Tampa Police Department. Good morning.
This woman's name was Rotesha Silveus.
Who's on the home?
Everybody?
Okay. Can you come outside for me real quick, please?
For what?
Because we got a call for service here.
Not here.
Lady, don't play the game. You didn't even do this. Don't do this. Grab her. Ma'am, stop. Stop it. You're not going to stop us from entering the house.
I didn't do that.
Ma'am, open the door.
Stop.
3-1, come in the front. Ma'am, stop resisting us. Stop resisting us. We're here for a lawful reason, okay?
Police immediately took her into custody at the scene.
Sit down.
Look on my Facebook.
Sit down here. Here, you know what? Come on, stand up.
You don't have to be aggressive.
No, do me a favor. Hey, stop. Hey, do me a favor. Just hang out with her. Where my car? I gotta go upstairs, man. In the car, please. Figure it out. Just keep an eye on this.
When officers entered the house, they quickly called for emergency paramedics. Inside the home, the person who had made the 911 call was found lying unresponsive on the kitchen floor.
Man, we got somebody on the floor, bro. She looks 6'7", bro.
Paramedics arrived and rushed Natavia to the hospital. She remained alive for 2 days.
Kitchen.
not responsive at all. Found her here, possibly choked out, maybe a very faint pain.
All right, let them do their job.
Yeah, I'm gonna let them take over here.
Yeah.
Try to keep as many people out as we can, let fire do what they gotta do, and then we're gonna broke this out.
After those 2 days, Natavia Sanders died from her injuries.
Step out. Oh, my goodness.
When police identified the suspect and attempted to speak with her, her behavior immediately became disturbing and erratic.
Come on. She combative? No. Huh? No. Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong with you? Alright. Can we stop? Can we stop acting like this, please? So I can do your search? Brandon, I need you to take me out.
Get one of them to come over here and say so as well.
You see? While you were...
No, she was talking to us, had a rapport, and she started making something about being single for you, taking something, I forget exactly what she said. Something about
We'll just have fire.
Yeah.
So check her. Don't let her flow.
Officers observed that she appeared uncooperative and seemed to be avoiding questions, as if she did not want to explain what had happened. Officers believed she was deliberately avoiding providing information. Her actions appeared evasive, as if she did not want to share details with the police.
You know where you're at? Where you at? My house.
When officers began questioning her, she stated that she had 3 children, one 9 years old, one 3 years old, and one 4 years old.
Young lady, what's your name?
Rotesha Silveus.
And you live here? How long have you lived here?
A few months.
A few months? Okay, who do you live here with?
Me and my children.
Your children? The small children? Like the babies? I seen 1 or 2 little babies. What about the other person there?
No, I have 3 kids.
You have 3 kids? How old are your kids? How old are they?
9, 3, and 4.
4? Okay.
However, she did not mention that she also had an 18-year-old daughter. At that same moment, that daughter was lying unresponsive on the kitchen floor.
So who's here today with you?
Me and my 3 kids.
You and your 3 kids? Okay. The 3 and 4-year-old, were they upstairs? Okay. And then where's your 9-year-old?
They're all upstairs.
They're all upstairs?
We were all up there.
Okay.
We just got up and I was going to give them a bath.
Who's in the kitchen? Somebody's in the kitchen a little bit older than 9, though. They're not 9 years old.
I couldn't even tell you.
You couldn't even tell you?
Only have 3 kids.
Okay. Okay.
She initially told officers that all of her children were inside the house.
Do you want to see the fire department? Do you want them to check you out?
I'm fine. I just want my kids.
She's fine.
I don't know what happened. Like,
You want me just to take vitals of her or something?
If you're talking to me, I didn't hear you.
Since fire's here, should we have them just set eyes on her?
They can.
I mean, just check the logs.
Yeah.
Whatever. Where's the back door? Okay.
And you feel like all right? We're just gonna have fire just look at you, make sure everything's good. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is this Black Hawk Down? Like, who are these people?
The police department, police and fire. Are you able to sit back? Look at you.
However, minutes later, when police questioned her again inside the patrol car, her story changed.
Who went to the hospital just now, do you know? Who is that? Oh, you have 4 kids? Okay, what was that daughter's name?
She then stated that she had 4 children. At that point, she finally mentioned her older child and identified her by name, Natavia Sanders, the 18-year-old who was lying on the kitchen floor.
If she doesn't want it, she won't. We're good.
I'm fine. Are y'all okay? Why are y'all here?
If you could just look at her and make sure she's
You don't want us to check you out?
No, I'm fine.
I got the ambulance ready.
Everything's fine. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Somebody else come here. Alright, we're gonna walk over to the other car, okay? You able to walk?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm gonna go to this
We're gonna
one.
go to this car over here. You're refusing to be seen? Okay.
After these discussions were completed, officers began making preparations to transport her to jail.
Face the car.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
You're good. Take your hands up just a little bit. Send me the back pocket. Sorry. Huh? He's a little bit scared. Not yet. There, I think so. There. You good?
As soon as she was placed inside the patrol vehicle, she told officers that she needed paramedics.
You just told him you didn't want to see him. Hey. Now she wants to see you guys.
Next, I will explain the charges that were filed against her and how those charges were later upgraded in detail. Let's look at the legal timeline, which evolved rapidly in the days following the attack. 1. The initial arrest, May 11, 2024. When Rotesha Silveus was first taken into custody on the morning of May 11, 2024, she was not immediately charged with murder. This is because at that time, Natavia Sanders was still alive in the hospital fighting for her life. Instead, Silveus was booked into the Orient Road jail on 2 counts: aggravated battery with great bodily harm, a felony charge acknowledging the life-threatening injuries she inflicted, and resisting an officer with violence due to her physical struggle with the responding officers at the scene. 2. The death and investigation, May 13, 2024. 2 days later, on May 13th, Natavia Sanders passed away from her injuries. The medical examiner officially ruled the manner of death as homicide caused by strangulation. This ruling was the key piece of evidence prosecutors needed to alter the case. 3. The charge upgrade. On May 24th, exactly 11 days after Natavia's death, the state attorney's office formally upgraded the charges against Rotesha Silveus. The charge of aggravated battery was elevated to first-degree murder. Under Florida law, a first-degree designation typically implies that the act was premeditated. 4. Current status as of 2026. As of today, Rotesha Silveus remains incarcerated at the Hillsborough County Jail, Orient Road. She is being held without bond, which is standard procedure for capital felony cases in Florida. The case is currently moving through the pretrial phase, meaning she has not yet been convicted but remains in state custody awaiting her day in court.
All right, ma'am, step out. Go out there to that door over there. Right here.